Right, welcome back. Let's do question 121. We are required to simplify this expression. So what do? Every term in this trinomial must be multiplied by x and also multiplied by 2. So we're distributing the x times x squared, that is x cubed. Then x times negative x, that is negative x squared. And then x times positive 3, that is 3x. Okay, we've distributed the x. Now let's multiply everything by 2 now. Then 2 times x squared, that is positive 2x squared. And then 2 times negative x, that is negative 2x. Then 2 times positive 3, that is positive 6. Right, do we have like terms? Yes, we have like terms. Negative x squared plus 2x squared. What is it? That is positive x squared. So it's x cubed plus x squared. And then 3x minus 2x. What is 3x minus 2x? That is plus 1x. So it's plus x. And then the constant 6 plus 6. So we have simplified the expression.